guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as I said last time in the introduction, the first video of this workshop, we will have mainly two steps to develop and implement our hybrid approach to solve one-dimensional heat diffusion problem. And we are also, I also said that for each step there will be a couple videos or tutorials to show you how to perform some little stuff. Every single thing we have to do on this workshop will be a topic for a tutorial. So for this first tutorial of the first step, of course, we're gonna work on how to get the required materials to work and achieve the goal of the first step. Remember, for the first step, we want to implement forward modeling on this one-dimensional heat diffusion issue. So to address that problem, we need documents, most of them, to know how to implement or realize one-dimensional forward modeling. As you guess, because I would think that we are not all of them are not familiar with the topic of forward modeling. So we probably guess it's a regular issues on numerical modeling, because most of you probably know what is heat equations. Oh, sorry, that's my phone. I'm gonna mute that because it can be annoying. Oh, okay. Yes, back in business. So heat diffusion is a kind of regular problem in numerical modeling. So there is lots of references talking about that, and for one-dimensional, two-dimensional, or even three-dimensional problem. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to get some papers if you want, or maybe some free access books on Springer, mainly because it's easier on Springer to get open access tools or materials. So get ready for action and let's get straight to it. So here we are. You can run by the browser or you can run Google Chrome, doesn't matter. The problem is after you launch your browser, just type Google, or if you're using Google Chrome, on the research bar you can directly type Springer link or just Springer, and you will have these links. Okay, and you select this first one, for example, or the second one. For me, I selected this one, and you run the research. Okay, so you are looking for one-dimensional heat diffusion material. So this one is a pretty good book. So I already have it, and I can show it. Don't look at the price. Okay, it can be too much, but if you're working on something real big, a real big project, you just think about this price as a little investment to gain 10 times or 100 times this one. So definitely you can afford this little investment to realize what you're trying to achieve. Okay, so for those who don't have this 135, I guess this is zero. Okay, equals, you can go straight to Google. Instead of typing Springer link, you can directly type one-dimensional heat diffusion right here, and just one-dimensional heat diffusion, and have this keyword PDF and you run the research. You have some one dimensional steady state heat condition. You have to check each of them until you have the appropriate document, the one you will be able to work with. And most of the time it depends on your background. Some documents go deep into all the details all the details that forward modeling issues entails, but some other documents don't really dig deep, and they present just a broad implementation of the concepts. Okay, so it depends on your background, but for this workshop we're gonna take a light material, something that we can work with without without going deep into some details. But at the meantime, we really want you to get I want to say to familiarize, but I really want to say also to give you some new skills. So for those who don't had at this time some numerical modeling skills, maybe it's time for them to get close, a little more close to this field. Okay, so we will try to find something at the middle of them, because I know most of you will say they won't spend $125 or euros to buy this book. So we will try to find this. This is our best solution right now. So let's work this out. Show me the slide. Okay. Okay, one dimensional steady state heat conduction. These are some oh yeah, I remember this this figure. Oh yeah, definitely this is a good one. Okay, this is a good one. We can work with this. This is the model we need to work with. If you remember, in the introduction I show you something close to this. Okay, this is a kind of a basic model. Okay, and we're gonna work with this, but because we are working on a one-dimensional problem, we will erase these two components, this one on the y direction and this one on the z direction. We will remove these two guys, or these two fellows, and for simplicity we are going to maybe we want to remove this or this to make it simple to understand, but we'll see. Anyway, this document we're going to work with, so I really want you, all of you right now, to go on Google, type one-dimensional heat diffusion and add the keyword PDF, run the research, and go straight to this link. Okay, download this document, and we're gonna work with this this equation right here. Of course, we have this in Cartesian coordinates, and this is circular coordinate, and this one is in spherical coordinate. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna work with this at the first time, and for those who need another tutorial or others tutorial using circular coordinate, just point your finger up. Okay, the mention of finger ups is a little joke, but let me know if you want to if you want some tutorial about the forward process with circular coordinates also, or maybe also for spherical coordinate. We'll see how to make this for you. The second document we want to use is a material talking about stochastic process. We want something talking about the Wayne-Levy process. So let's type here Wayne-Levy process. Wayne, I guess it's Wayne or Wayne-Levy process. Oh, process. What have I done? Yeah, I know, not Venus. Google, what are you doing? I'm talking about Wayne-Levy process. Yeah, that is in French. In French, sorry, I don't want this. I want something in. Oh, Brownian motion. Yes, we can use this. A little bit. A little mention about this process called the Wayne-Levy process. Okay, it's using the Brownian motion concept, and in the video working on this stochastic process, we will dig deep on this. Okay, it's a kind of application of Brownian motion concepts. Okay, just think about it like that, and if you're already familiar with this concept, it's good because you will feel comfortable to work with. For those who are not familiar with this concept, it's not a problem. We're going to talk about that. Okay, in this video I just wanted to show you how to get these two materials we're going to use for all the workshop. Okay, so download each of them. Yeah, it's definitely this Wayne process, definitely. So download each of them and we're going to use them. Okay, we're going to use them and into our workshop. Okay, so guys, I hope you're ready for the next step of this. And if one of you guys feel comfortable to download more than the two materials I've shown you here, it's okay, you can download it, but they will always be talking about the same thing. I mean, Wayne-Levy process is something how can I say it? Universal, if you want, if you allow me to say, to use that word, because I'm using that word because it doesn't matter the document you're going to download. If they're talking about stochastic process, and inside stochastic process talking about Brownian motion or Wayne-Levy process, you have the same formula, the same theoretical concept, and you'll be able to follow the workshop from the start to the, or from the beginning to the end. So get a little close to these two materials we have downloaded right now, and let's see you guys to the next step of this workshop. No, not the next step of the workshop, but okay, the next tutorial, because we're still on the first step. Okay, so guys, see you on the next tutorial of this first step of the whole workshop. See you guys.